Another huge issue that often happens with people is with this idea of the all or nothing mentality. And what is the all or nothing mentality? The all or nothing mentality is basically when somebody thinks that they need to go all in on changing an aspect of their life. So maybe for health and fitness, they need to go all in on dieting so they can lose a bunch of weight. If they don't go all in, basically they think that all of their energy and all of their time is useless. So if they're not doing 100% everything they need to do to lose weight, it's not really worth the time. On the flip side, the same person might think that since they are spending all that energy and effort, if they don't match that same level of energy and effort, they think it's completely useless. And this is the all or nothing mentality. It's literally you got to do everything or it's nothing. This happens so often with health and fitness, where you think of, maybe yourself, for example, you started a health routine, you started a workout program, you started a diet, and everything was going good, 5 days in, et cetera, et cetera. One day, a slip up happens, you fall off. What happens next? People often get down on themselves. They may start talking to themselves and saying that they're a failure. They think they literally messed everything up, even though in reality, they didn't. And unfortunately, a lot of people just give up completely at this point, which is a huge, huge issue because that one bad day that they had is largely irrelevant. As you'll see when I continue to move into this podcast, we'll talk about the idea of consistency. And consistency is largely the biggest thing that will lead you towards your health goals, your fitness goals, everything. It's the person who can do it consistently day in and day out. Understand that slip ups happen, but once those slip ups happen, just get back on the wagon, get back on the train. It doesn't matter. The analogy I like to use is kind of along the lines of the one bad day. So, who's better off? Somebody who is perfect for a month, as in they don't miss workout, they don't mess up anything on their diet, they don't mess up literally anything on their healthy lifestyle. But then after that, they go back to their normal lifestyle. So 1 month of the year they're good, but the other 12 months they're nothing. Or somebody who is pretty good most of the time, is in maybe they're eating good on their diet, they're following the plan, but every 6 days, every 7 days, maybe just once a week, they have a little bit of an issue. I'm not saying a full blown binge, but maybe they can't work out as much as they want to, or they overeat on cookies and sweets a little bit. Who's going to be better off? The person who spent a month being perfect, or the person who's almost perfect, but not completely perfect most of the year? It's, of course, going to be that person who's mainly more perfect consistently. So that's going to be this reoccurring theme: consistency beats intensity. Consistency beats intensity.